As president of California University, it is my pleasure to welcome you today. Although we can't meet in person right now, I'm delighted to know that you're considering a future that includes CalU. We are ready to help you unlock your potential and find the academic path that's right for you. Choosing a college is a big decision, especially now when the world feels so uncertain. I want you to know that at CalU, you won't be alone. Our professors excel at teaching both in the classroom and online. They will help you build knowledge and skills for the future and teach you to use those skills to make our world a better place. Our staff will support you throughout your CalU journey, from application through graduation. And as a CalU student, you will join a strong, proud community that extends far beyond our campus. As part of our CalU family, you will be empowered to explore new ideas, gain confidence, and create the future you envision. Today, our admissions staff will introduce you to CalU. They are here to answer your questions, so please let us know what's on your mind. It's wonderful to have you with us for this open house event, and I hope to see you on campus soon.